Hi, today we are going to see career and guidance for electronics and communication engineering. Electronic devices have become a part of our day-to-day life from mobile phones, television, computer devices and home appliances and so on. In this article, we are going to discuss about electronic and communication engineering and its career and guidance. What is electronic and communication engineering? Electronic and communication engineering deals with the study of designing, developing, manufacturing electronic device circuits, communication equipments like transmitter, receiver, integrated circuits. It involves designing, manufacturing, installing and operating electronic equipment as well as communication system. It helps you to get obscure ideas about analog transmission, basic electronics, microprocessor, solid state device, digital analog communication, satellite communication, integrated circuits, antenna and wave progression, and so on. Electronics and Communication Engineering is abbreviated as ECE. Scope and career opportunities of ECE. Electronic and Communication Engineering is one of the interesting fields of engineering. As an electronic communication engineering graduate, you can get placed in manufacturing industries and service organizations such as broadcasting, consulting, data communication, entertainment, system support and research and development. You may hire by both public and private sectors. You can work in various fields of electronic and communication engineering such as telecommunication, IT sectors, television industries and hardware manufacturing firms, defense, research and development. There are ample of job opportunities are available in the fields of electronic and communication engineering. You can work in aviation, consumer electronics, transportation, communication, computer application, diagnosis equipment and other domains. It is one of the fastest growing fields of engineering. In upcoming days, you can get more and more opportunities in this field. Then specialization. Here I have listed some of the specializations of ECE. They are as follows: telecommunication engineering, instrumentation engineering, VLSI design system, digital signal processing, communication system, embedded system, robotics and automation, wireless communication system, communication engineering, signal and image processing. Then job profile. There are various job profiles in the fields of ECE are as follows: electronic engineering, system engineer, hardware engineer, programmer analyst, professor, field test engineer, service engineer, technical director, electronics technician, network planning engineer, customer support engineer, associate first line technician. Then courses and duration. The duration of diploma, undergraduate and postgraduate level courses are as follows. Diploma courses. The duration of diploma course is 2 years, which is diploma in electronics and communication engineering. Then UG level courses. The duration of UG level course is 4 years, which is BE in ECE and BTech in ECE. PG level courses. The duration of PG level courses is 2 years, ME in ECE and MTech in ECE. Eligibility. The basic eligible criteria for various courses like diploma, undergraduate and postgraduate. For diploma level courses, after completion of 10th class you are qualified for it. For UG level courses, some of the well-known universities and colleges are conducting entrance exams like JEE 9, JEE Advanced and GATE exam for this course. You have to pass with minimum 60% in your 12 board exams along with PCM subject, that is physics, chemistry and mathematics. For PG level courses, you have to pass in your UG degree with equivalent courses. How much it costs? The fee structure is varying from different colleges and universities. The average course fees of ECEs range between 1 lakh to 4 lakhs. As I mentioned before, it is differing from various educational institutions according to their infrastructure and other features. Top colleges for ECE. Here I am going to mention some of the top colleges for ECE. They are as follows: Manipal Institute of Technology Manipal, College of Engineering Pune, SRM Institute of Technology Chennai, Rajendra Sagar College of Engineering Bangalore, National Institute of Technology Trichy, Anna University Chennai, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. Salary. The average income is range between 3.5 lakhs to 4.5 lakhs per annum as a starting salary. The salary is depending upon the job position, skills, recruiters, job location and experience. You can get a handsome salary through your dedication, hard work and experience. Leading recruiting companies for ECE. Some of the top leading recruiting companies for electronic communication engineering, they are as follows: Google, Texas Instruments, Wipro VLSI, Qualcomm, ISRO, DRDO Labs, Honeywell, ABB, IBM, Nokia, Samsung, Microsoft, TCS, EDA, Infosys, Intel, and Mentor Graphics.